Golden opportunity for all the science background students. Yes. Hello students. If you have degree in science related to biotechnology, chemistry, industrial, environmental, in mechanical engineering or any degree related to engineering, then you can apply in Lambton College and that too in May 24 intake. Yes. Lambton College is offering two programs for science background students and the programs are Applied Manufacturing Management and Quality Engineering Management. You just need to have IELTS 6.5 with 6 and overall academic percentage 55. And Lambton College is also providing you 3000 CAT scholarship. So don't wait for anything because you can still apply in Lambton College for May 24 intake. There is no application fee. So don't waste your time. Apply as soon as possible in Lambton College Sarnia campus. Good luck.